Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, Anaconda installed, and the environment you'll use. Open Anaconda Navigator for a GUI or launch Anaconda prompt/terminal to work by command line. If you prefer a specific environment, first activate it so notebooks use the right packages. This prevents version conflicts. Use conda env list to see names, then conda activate env name. Once done, you're ready to start the actual Jupyter server in the next step. Now you start Jupyter itself. If you use Navigator, simply click Launch for Jupyter Notebook under the active environment. It opens a browser tab showing files. If you use the terminal, activate the env and run Jupyter Notebook. The server prints a local URL and token. Make sure your working directory is where your notebook's live or CD to that folder beforehand. Once the browser opens, create or open a IPN file to run cells interactively. To finish, run cells and save your notebook often. If you need a clean state, use kernel right arrow restart, which preserves the file but clears memory. If the browser doesn't open automatically, copy the URL with token from the terminal into your browser and press enter. If you hit import errors, make sure packages are installed in the activated conda environment. Use conda install or pip install within that env. One tip: if ports conflict, specify Jupyter Notebook port equals 8889 to avoid clashes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.